I quit my job today as a software development manager. And let me tell you, my customers were happy, my staff was great, everybody was satisfied with my work. I liked my job. So you're probably wondering, why did I quit, right? What was on my mind? Well, it was a huge risk to do this, and you might have to do this someday in your career. And what I did is I took that software development manager knowledge that I had and I said, you know what? I want to go down to being a regular software engineer again. So I got another job lined up, which is something that you have to do. Always have another job lined up before you quit. And I found a fully remote software engineering job. I'll explain why. So, as a software development manager, I was doing people management, project management. I was actually also a tech lead. I was part-time DBA. And it just got to be to the point where in order to keep my skills current, I had to do side projects all the time. And well, I love doing side projects, right? Because I mean, it's exciting to me, but at the same time, it takes away from all the rest of my life, right? I wasn't able to really focus on my personal life as well as being able to do this job as good as I was doing it. And I thought maybe it's time to look at a software development opportunity. And rather than do that at my current job, I said, I'm going to go out and find one that's fully remote so I could travel the country without ever having to be in person at my job. And so you'll see in my future videos, my background here is not going to be just this wall anymore. There might be some outdoors, it might be at the ocean. It's going to be fantastic. So if this is also you and you're considering taking that change in your life to go from being software development manager or project manager back to being an engineer again, just one more thing to keep in mind is you need to have those references in case you ever want to go back into management, and it is critical that you have a smooth transition. So all the projects that you're currently involved in or in charge of, make sure that you transition the knowledge and the what for every single thing that you're involved in, right? So if you're a DBA, make sure that all the knowledge about what the accounts are for and the backup processes and the schedules. If you're managing, say, 4 different projects, make sure that all the contacts for those projects are notified about, who their replacement contact is on your side, and then, all the general knowledge about the applications that you support and your team supports. Make sure that you document that, not just in a wiki, but you have a training session, an ongoing knowledge transfer. Super important to have those transfers, and then tell people that you'll be a professional reference for them, so that you can then use them for a reference. And I don't know if any of you guys watching this actually know me at my old job. You're probably thinking, hey, Chris did tell me that he could be a professional reference for me. It's probably because I'm going to want to use you someday as a professional reference. Well, I never know, right? Anyways, so if you haven't already subscribed, I'm Chris from DataVids. Go ahead and subscribe. And I got another video coming up soon. It's going to be on Entity Framework versus Dapper in .NET, and when to use which one, and the pros and cons. So stay tuned, and once you've subscribed, it'll show up on your channel. Take care. Until next time.